Let's talk about a government initiative that touches industry, infrastructure, employment, and environmental sustainability. All at the same time. We are talking about the Plastic Park Scheme, launched by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers under the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals. It's a key part of India's efforts to strengthen its polymer-based industrial ecosystem and simultaneously reduce the environmental burden of plastics. Let's understand what this scheme is, why it matters, and how it ties into your UPSC and SSC exam preparation. What is a plastic park? A plastic park is a dedicated industrial zone designed specifically for plastic-related industries. It's not just about manufacturing more plastic. It's about consolidating and synergizing the downstream plastic processing sector through a cluster-based approach. This means better infrastructure, common facilities, improved investment climate, and more efficient waste management. Each park promotes employment, exports, and environmentally sustainable production. The government provides up to 50% of the project cost, with a ceiling of 40 crore rupees per park. Why was this scheme needed? India ranks 12th in the world for plastic exports, with exports growing from $8.2 billion in 2014 to $27 billion by 2022. But the industry was historically fragmented, made up of small and medium enterprises lacking coordination, advanced R&D, and global competitiveness. That's where plastic parks come in, to help India scale up, attract investment, and streamline infrastructure. The scheme has 4 key objectives: increase competitiveness and value addition in plastic processing, enhance investments and production capacity, ensure environmentally sustainable growth through recycling and waste management, use a cluster-based development model to optimize resources and reduce costs. Where are these parks being built? So far, 10 plastic parks have been approved in states like Madhya Pradesh, Tamot and Biloa, Odisha, Jagatsinghpur, Assam, Tinsukia, Jharkhand, Deoghar, Tamil Nadu, Tiruvallur, Uttarakhand, Sitarganj, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Karnataka, Ganjimut, Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur. Each park receives central grant funding, while implementation is done through special purpose vehicles by state governments or industrial development agencies. States also offer tax incentives, low-cost plots, and awareness programs to attract private sector players. What about R&D and innovation? To boost research, the government has set up 13 centers of excellence, or COES, across the country. These are located in institutes like National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, CIPET, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, IIT Delhi, Guwahati, Roorkee, CSIR institutes like NAST and IICT. Each COE focuses on topics such as sustainable polymers, bioengineered materials, wastewater management, green transport networks, polymer-based medical devices. This shows the government's commitment not just to scale, but also to sustainable and tech-driven growth. Skilling the workforce. The Central Institute of Petrochemical Engineering and Technology, CIPET, runs short and long-term courses to upskill manpower in plastic processing and technology. This helps address the industry's demand for trained professionals, ensuring employment generation aligns with industrial growth. Environmental sustainability measures. Now let's talk about what matters most. The environment. The Plastic Park Scheme is aligned with circular economy principles and global sustainability goals. Here's how. Extended Producer Responsibility, EPR, mandates minimum recycling and reuse of plastic packaging. Hazardous waste management rules ensure safe disposal and promote resource recovery. Single-use plastics are being banned. The government supports exhibitions and discussions on recycling tech and biodegradable alternatives. India also engages with WTO, UNEP, and ISO to adopt global best practices and standards. What should UPSC SSC aspirants focus on? If you're preparing for UPSC GS3, Economy plus Environment, or SSC CGL, General Awareness. This topic is a goldmine. Know the structure of the scheme, ministry, grants, objectives. Understand the cluster approach and benefits to MSMEs. Link this to India's plastic export data. Know about COES and R&D themes. Connect this to larger themes of green economy, sustainability, and employment. This scheme can also appear in essay, ethics, public-private partnerships, or case studies in mains. Final thoughts. The Plastic Park scheme is a powerful example of Make in India meets Green India. It strengthens our industrial base, generates employment, promotes innovation, and at the same time, keeps sustainability at the center of growth. For aspirants, this is not just current affairs. It's a perfect blend of economy, environment, governance, and innovation. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep preparing, because awareness shapes answers, and answers build careers.